Kisa? Okay, let's do this. Don't tell it, just do it, alright?
Go, Chad. Go, Chad.
Ay, ganun katagal. 30 minutes. Sabi niya, may pawis kang alat. That's like 5 seconds.
Okay, 5 seconds.
JVs, bibilang tayo ha. Ready, and...
Very slow.
Okay, and this will be the final move. So, ano tong final move na to? Okay, let's see it. This will be the final move. So, guys, please no coaching jackpot round po ito. Paano makukuha ang 1 million? Ang gagawin mo? Ang gagawin mo?
Wala, Chad. Chad, alam mo, sabi niya, nagkasakit na kami, di ba? So, hindi na kami magkakasakit ulit. Alam mo na kung anong ibig sabihin nun.
Anong gagawin mo?
Hoy, Chad, di ba ikaw nag-invento ng game na to?
Hindi naman ganito. Okay. Okay, ready? Just do what you gotta do. Alright?
Alam niyo po, yung totoo, si Chad yung pinagpapawisan. Thank you guys! Thank you so much!
Hindi! Nagsakripisyo ako! Tiniis ko yun! Nahihilo na ako!
Sa right side.
Napapulit ko! Okay, ready? James, Nadine, it's your turn to shine. Ready? That's like, Jadians, are you ready? And in 3, 2, 3, that's like 6 seconds, 6 seconds. Wag yung mag-invento. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Hala. Ready? And... Doon ka na. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go! Hindi, kasi yung kamay mo yata nakaganon din sa akin kanina eh. Ha? May nakaganon din.
Wala kang sinabi. Ginawa namin, Chad.
Hindi kasi ganon na din. Ganito kasi yun, no? Diba? Anyways, Joanna, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Everybody, thank you.